What's an exhaust brake, you may ask? Well, in this case, it's a butterfly flap or butterfly valve type device that's put inline the exhaust just after the downpipe or in the tailpipe. When the flap is shut, it limits the flow of exhaust gases out of the engine. By shutting the flap during descents and braking, we're able to increase the back pressure of exhaust coming out of the engine. This increased back pressure puts a load on the pistons during the exhaust stroke, increasing the engine's braking capability. This increase in braking capability allows your vehicle to control speed better and reduces the wear and tear on your service brake system, especially with a heavy load on. The new BDD's electronic exhaust brake actuates this aforementioned valve with an electronic actuator without the need for an air compressor or air lines. This electronic inline brake is easy to install and features lower maintenance. No more freezing up air lines or compressors in the wintertime. BD's exclusive Variable Orifice Technology creates even pressure regulation throughout the RPM range for up to 150 retarding horsepower, allowing for consistent and reliable engine braking.